Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your Cats Deposit Address on Bitget. You're going to learn how you can be able to find and copy your Cats Deposit Address to receive your Cats coin on Bitget. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is valuable to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Bitget app to open it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see my Bitget app is opening. So guys, once your Bitget app opens up and you've logged into your Bitget account, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see down there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see there on the left hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now this is the place you have to look for or search for the crypto or the coin that you want to copy is deposit address. So guys, now what you have to do now is to scroll down. You have to scroll through to look for the Cats coin. But in case you're finding it hard to look for it, what you have to do is to use the search icon at the top. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. We're going to use it now to search for the Cats coin. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to type in Cats. So let me type in Cats, C-A-T-S. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search results right there. You can see the Cats coin right there. You can see the Cats logo. You can see it is written Cats. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on Cats, the first option. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your Cats deposit address on Bitget. But before I go ahead now to do that, before I go ahead to show you guys how you can do that, you can see where the arrow is pointing. You can see what is written there, network. And you can see that the network selected is TON. So guys, you have to make sure that TON is actually the network, because Cat is actually launching on the TON blockchain. So the network is supposed to be TON or TON coin. So after you're sure that the network is TON or TON coin, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to copy your Cats deposit address. So let me scroll down right now. So guys, now you can see your Cats deposit address right there being encircled. For you now to copy that deposit address, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see it just next to the address. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now by doing this now, you've been able now to copy your Cats deposit address on Bitget. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever we release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.